Amazon stock is trending across tech and financial circles, up 4.75% with an intraday high of $259. This is Monday, the 3rd of November, 2025. Yeah, the stock is trending. The company just announced a new partnership with OpenAI. It has sparked widespread optimism about its growing influence in the AI ecosystem. The news has injected fresh bullish sentiment into the stock, with traders and long-term investors debating how this collaboration could reshape Amazon AWS and strengthen its competitive edge in the escalating AI infrastructure race. The deal is being viewed as a strategic move to deepen Amazon's foothold in the AI landscape, potentially integrating OpenAI's advanced models into AWS offerings or enabling new enterprise AI tools that could rival those from Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud. Market watchers suggest that this partnership could open up new high margin revenue streams and enhance AWS's value proposition as companies accelerate their shift toward AI driven workloads. Investors also closely examining the financial and strategic implications, particularly whether this collaboration will translate into tangible growth or primarily serve as a market sentiment boost. Analysts are already revising their outlooks with several upgrades, highlighting Amazon's strengthened AI positioning and the possibility of the stock testing new highs if execution aligns with expectations. However, not everyone is fully convinced. Some investing and trading community members caution that this may represent a continuation of a broader AI fueled market bubble where enthusiasm could outpace fundamentals. These voices argue that while partnerships like this drive short term excitement, profitability will depend on scalable integration, adoption, and real world monetization. In essence, the OpenAI partnership marks another significant step in Amazon's AI evolution, potentially transforming AWS's capabilities and expanding its moat against rivals. Whether this becomes a long term growth catalyst or another AI driven hype cycle will depend on how quickly Amazon can convert this collaboration into enterprise ready solutions that boost both cloud demand and infrastructure confidence. I think there's also more as well. Let's see here. We can see this is okay. Amazon to supply OpenAI with AWS computing services powered by hundreds of thousands of NVIDIA GPUs to train and run AI models. Okay, OpenAI will begin using AWS immediately. All planned capacity to be deployed in the end of this 20 of next year. The deal marks one of OpenAI's first major moves post restructuring, according to Reuters. Okay, so it's a symbiosis. Both will depend on each other. OpenAI and Amazon have signed a multi-year agreement with worth $38 billion, under which the e-commerce giant will provide the chat GPT make access to hundreds of thousands of NVIDIA processors to train and run AI models. Okay, so this is one side of it all. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. Let's see what we have. Underlying trend is just slightly bullish on AWS on Amazon. The strength will remain in place up to Wednesday, according to our extrapolations, and then after that, may begin to roll over. Then, if you like, I think, well, from then it's actually just generally saying it's just going to consolidate the strength that it has built up, at least up till the 12th of December. Projections are currently saying we have intraday high here of $259. Okay, there are other high projections, I believe. So the stock is also trading at a premium to all of its moving averages. Let's see what we have. Yeah, let's see whether we can get upper projections. 258.70 as of the 26th of August. Okay, let's see what the 4-hour chart is indicating. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, strength is showing that yeah, it's just yeah, same consolidation as well, going at least going all the way towards the 12th of November. Projections to the upside, anything like that? 242? No, it's a downward projection. Okay, in terms of projections, we can have a look at its weekly chart. We might find something there. Yeah, we have ambitious projections here. We have 252, it's a downward projection, 287.0, 0.08, 308.47. Yeah. Okay, the extrapolation on the weekly chart is saying that it's expected to remain strong up till the 17th of November. Then after that, a contraction may play out up till the 2nd of March. Okay, no guarantee that that will be the case. And then after that, the uptrend may resume again, going all the way towards the middle of May of next year. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on right now. Let's see what how the shares are crossing the tape. Whether people are actually discovering prices. Yeah, are we going to get anything? Okay, we're low on memory, but we can still find the volume so far in this session. Okay, relatively high beta. That is 7.9 million shares have crossed the tape. A lot are crossing the tape. So highly active. You can see that highly active, highly active. Yeah. As a matter of fact, in as much as Amazon, there isn't any doubt about its prospects. Short sellers may be doing a thing or two on the stock. They might be selling it short. There's nothing. I believe they can't. In the interim, especially as things stand right now, they may be selling it short because it's really not an act. It's not so active. Not so active. The chance that they can make money out of it if selling the short is there, I can just imagine, so there's not yeah, that risk is not there. I think in the interim, I think there's a good chance it may just pull back somewhat. That's actually doing so, you know, it's actually doing so. So I think they may well go ahead and do so. It's yeah, they may well be doing so. They may well be shorting it, especially in a very short time. There's opportunity to be made there. Short quickly and get back in, especially when you are using a market grid or something like that. So, when the stock trades outside of the channel or the grid, then you short it. Then when it comes back in, you buy back. So very short term, they can be doing that. They may be doing that in a very short time. So yeah, let's see how things go. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.